All right, I'm in a little bit of trouble here. I'm taking my husband to Berchtesgaden for 3 days to celebrate his birthday, and I'm going a little bit nuts packing. Now, the weather is going to be scorching, so daytimes are going to be somewhere between 30 and 33, 34 degrees centigrade, and the evenings are going to be very nicely warm. So I have no idea why I'm packing clothes for sort of 2 weeks. It's the trouble when you're going away with your car. You just stuff it to the rafters with all kinds of stuff that you know you don't need. Shoes particularly, I'm going a little bit mad. I'm taking the sliders. These were given to me by a really charming woman who massaged me in the Turkish bath in Istanbul. My Chanel flats will take me really through all the evenings with various outfits, so they are worth their money any day. These I may have to abandon these, and I'm gonna have to think about these. Uh, my Greek boho sandals. These I bought. These things I bought on Capri on one of my shopping excursions in one of those sandal shops where they measure your feet, and you can sort of design your own sandals, and they stitch them together for you while you wait. These are my old favorites. They're now really manky and they've still got saltwater stains from my last Italy trip, but I just love them and I'm hoping they'll survive another summer. My trainers I'm gonna need because we'll do lots of walking and lots of walking. So they're kind of crucial. They can't stay behind. So what else? I love these sandals. I bought those in London at Church's. Now Church, if you look closely, you may see it here. No, God, I would have to undo my focus lock. Okay, I won't do that then. Church's English shoes. So when I tried them on, it actually transpired that they're made in Italy, which surprised me a little bit because they're sort of bragging with the Englishness of their shoes. But apparently it only applies to the men's range, and the women's range is made in Italy because the owner of Church's is actually Prada. So not an English brand anymore, really, just kind of on the surface. And these I love, and I travel with those everywhere, particularly sort of in Mediterranean climate. They're always in my suitcase and I never wear them, but I love having them at the foot of the bed. So yeah, crazy. These are just different sort of daytime and evening dresses, mostly in linen and cotton, and there's a couple of little silk numbers. My swimsuit, a little bathing cap in case the hotel is sort of weird about getting hair in their filtration, their pool filtration. This useful crate, I'm gonna just sling everything in, my sort of hair, my rollery things, and various gadgety stuff, my speakers for my iPad, all the sort of the Wi-Fi thingies. And I'm gonna have to be very careful now because I haven't even started assembling my makeup, my lingerie, and my nightwear. So I'm in deep doo-doo, and my husband is notorious for packing 5 times what he needs. And furthermore, being a former Boy Scout, he will pack 3 pairs of binoculars, 5 pairs of I don't know what. There will be 2 torches, a little one for his way to the bathroom at night, and a big one if we have to deter a burglar. So he's even more chronic at sort of packing than I am. So, and I've got a Fiat 500, so we're going to be careful about what we take. So I'm going to condense it down and load up the little Fiat, and I will report back when we've arrived in Berchtesgaden. Right, I'm trying to keep calm amid the chaos. I think I'm all organized. All I need to do now is have a glass of wine and go to sleep. All right, we've arrived at the Kempinski in Berchtesgaden, and I can't wait to check in and give you a room tour. Now, the panorama here is ravishing. It's a hazy day, but still, it's just gorgeous. Oh, that shower is nice, darling. And a really pretty lobby and library. Now empty, of course, because it's really hot. People are out by the pool. We're in the middle of the heat wave. But in the winter, I'm sure this is a really cozy bar. Someone here is really a Rolling Stones fan. hotel car park is getting quite busy. Yeah, it does. It's definitely the sort of the Porsche Owners Club is having a weekend away.